are going to love the 2020 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, overhead console, rear view camera, front reading lamps. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.